Hey guys, today on Ugga Dugga Bois, we're going to be showing you how to wash, clean, and paint your wheels. Now, to start off, you're going to want to wash your wheel. So you're going to want to make sure you have a nice, reliable source of water, which I'm going to be using our bathtub. And then you can actually either use dish soap or engine degreaser to clean it. And today I am actually going to be using dish soap just because this has a very strong scent, but it does do a very good job. And then finally, you're going to want to make sure you pick up a scrub brush, which I picked this one up for just $1. Now for this step and the rest of the steps, you're going to want to make sure that you have proper ventilation and the proper safety equipment. So now we're going to start and we're going to take a wire brush and sandpaper and actually get all this extra little loose stuff out. So all this side. We're also going to clean up the center. Plus get any loose stuff in here out. Up next, we're going to use some compressed air to clean it up and get any fine little particles out. And then we're going to be on the painting. Finally, we're going to be painting our wheel. Now most people, what they do is you're going to want to put a primer, a base coat, and then a final clear coat on. But today, we're just trying to do a very quick little bit of a cleanup here just to protect it. So today, actually, we're going to be just doing the base coat. And just like that, your wheel's looking almost brand new.